everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. So we have an awesome video for you guys today. So please thumbs up the video, make sure you're subscribed. And before we jump in, wanted to tell you guys that about an incredible opportunity right now to start making money just by making little videos promoting products like this car charger, like this other car charger, like these little games right here, this digital camera, or like, you know, products like the C4 energy drink. You can make money right on TikTok now on your phone. It only requires a few minutes a day to start making money on it. And you don't need an experience or a following, and you just do it on your phone. You don't need to show your face or anything. Click the link below if you're interested in this to join my TikTok shop program and learn how people are making thousands and thousands of dollars per month. They just made it super easy for anybody to start doing this. And right now there's a 30-day free trial to sign up, try it out, see if you can start making money. If you don't like it, you can cancel it anytime. So check the link out below. Let's get started with the video. Waymo spotted driving in red bus lane about to make a legal left-hand turn. I think we watched this video already, but here's a whole article about it though.
This is a different one.
Another one? Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
okay.
see, this one's different.
Okay, guys, Waymo sucks, all right? We watched last week a video of a Waymo car driving on the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, they were driving against traffic.
Because it was trying to turn and it was like a dead stopped, so there was nowhere to turn in, so we just went the other way. Waymo spotted driving in, but now Waymo is driving in red bus lane about to make a legal left-hand turn. Should we watch this?
Yeah.
Looking at viewer video showing a Waymo self-driving car not only driving in the all-new red bus lanes along Van Ness Avenue in San Francisco, but also stopping to make a left-hand turn at Post Street on Sunday, a move that, according to the sign, is illegal. Phil Koopman specializes in self-driving car safety.
You know what I will say?
What?
Is from my experience with Tesla full self-driving, when I was using the Tesla full self-driving, it was almost like it was driving, but it wasn't aware of like new road traffic changes. Because there was one time where I was getting off the freeway exit, and I know it had been like recently, they like basically changed the lanes so that the right lane used to be able to go straight and right, but then they like moved it so the right lane can only go right, and now the left lane can go straight and left.
Oh.
And I was gonna go straight, and now like I know in my head, okay, I got to be in the left lane now because it changed like maybe 6 months to a year ago.
Yeah.
But Tesla full self-driving got into the right lane, so it was almost like it was following what it was originally. So it like didn't recognize that it didn't recognize like the new change. Like it reverted to like how the road used to be. So I'm thinking, because it said here that this is a new red bus lane. So I'm assuming that the car was just following what had been there prior, and it didn't realize that, oh, you can't drive in here now, because like before it was probably just a normal lane.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. So it's like, yeah, obviously they don't have the human ability to like see that you can't go there.
On Sunday, a move that, according to the sign, is illegal. Phil Koopman specializes in self-driving car safety.
Bro is like tuning in from Mars. Like, where is he? Bro's got office set up on Mars.
Safety, Carnegie Mellon University, and has done so for 20 plus years.
We're seeing a lot of loose ends, that the technology isn't quite there. The companies are claiming it's safer, but things like driving the wrong way down the street, as long as there's no crash, they would say don't count for unsafe.
Meaning this incident likely would not get logged as a dangerous or concerning one, since
very, very fishy, my friends. Very fishy. Okay. Basically don't trust self-driving cars yet. And Uber self-driving, Tesla self-driving may be farther away than what they're saying.